Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Defining the Problem for GenAI Solutions. Defining the problem is a pivotal step in the development of generative artificial intelligence solutions. It lays the foundation for the entire GenAI lifecycle, influencing subsequent stages such as data collection, model training, and deployment. The importance of this phase cannot be overstated, as it ensures that the GenAI solution addresses the specific needs and challenges faced by an organization or individual. An ill-defined problem can lead to wasted resources, prolonged development times, and solutions that fail to deliver meaningful outcomes. Therefore, problem identification and requirement gathering are critical components of the GenAI lifecycle. The first step in defining the problem is to clearly understand the context in which the GenAI solution will operate. This involves gathering detailed information about the current processes, systems, and stakeholders involved. Understanding the context allows developers to identify pain points and areas where GenAI can add value. For example, in a manufacturing setting, a GenAI solution might be aimed at optimizing production schedules or predicting equipment failures. By comprehensively understanding the manufacturing process, developers can pinpoint specific problems that GenAI can address, such as reducing downtime or improving efficiency. Once the context is understood, the next step is to articulate the problem in a clear and concise manner. A well-defined problem statement serves as a guiding light throughout the GenAI development process. It should capture the essence of the issue, the stakeholders affected, and the desired outcomes. For example, a problem statement might read, "The current manual scheduling process in our manufacturing plant leads to frequent delays and suboptimal resource allocation. A GenAI-driven scheduling solution is needed to improve efficiency and minimize downtime." This statement clearly identifies the problem, the affected stakeholders, and the expected benefits of the GenAI solution. A critical aspect of defining the problem is identifying and engaging with stakeholders. Stakeholders can provide invaluable insights and perspectives that shape the problem definition process. They include anyone who might be affected by or have influence over the GenAI solution, such as end users, business leaders, IT staff, and external partners. Engaging with stakeholders ensures that the problem definition is aligned with organizational goals and user needs. It also helps to identify potential obstacles and constraints that the GenAI solution must navigate. For example, a stakeholder might highlight regulatory requirements that the solution must comply with, or existing systems that it needs to integrate with. Data plays a crucial role in defining the problem for GenAI solutions. It is essential to assess the availability, quality, and relevance of data that will be used to develop and train the GenAI model. The data should be representative of the problem domain and encompass all necessary variables needed to generate accurate and reliable outputs. A thorough data audit helps to identify any gaps or limitations that might impact the GenAI solution's effectiveness. For instance, a lack of historical data on equipment failures might necessitate the collection of new data or the use of synthetic data generation techniques. The problem definition process also involves setting clear and measurable objectives for the GenAI solution. These objectives should be aligned with the broader business goals and provide a benchmark against which the solution's success can be measured. Objectives might include reducing operational costs by a certain percentage, improving customer satisfaction scores, or increasing production output. Clear objectives help to focus the GenAI development team and provide a basis for evaluating the solution's impact. In addition to setting objectives, it is important to establish success criteria and metrics for evaluating the GenAI solution. These criteria should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a success criterion might be a 20% reduction in scheduling errors within 6 months of deploying the GenAI solution. Metrics such as error rates, processing times, and user satisfaction scores can be used to assess the solution's performance and make necessary adjustments. Throughout the problem definition process, it is important to remain flexible and open to iterative refinement. As new information emerges or circumstances change, the problem definition may need to be adjusted. This iterative approach ensures that the GenAI solution remains relevant and effective in addressing the identified problem. It is also essential to document the problem definition process, capturing key decisions, assumptions, and stakeholder inputs. Documentation provides a valuable reference for the development team and facilitates communication and alignment with stakeholders. In summary, defining the problem for GenAI solutions is a critical step that sets the stage for successful development and deployment. It involves understanding the context, articulating a clear problem statement, engaging with stakeholders, assessing data availability, setting objectives and success criteria, and remaining open to iterative refinement. By investing time and effort in this phase, organizations can ensure that their GenAI solutions address real-world challenges and deliver meaningful value. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.